This is a 2014 to 2019 Kia Soul. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Louison Automotive for letting us use the car today. They have a full service auto repair shop in Toronto, Canada, and they also have a YouTube channel. Check them out for engaging automotive content and car buying advice. Check the link in description. Go ahead, open the driver's side door. Now right there, that's where the primary hood release lever is, so pull it. In front of the vehicle, right underneath the Kia emblem over there, on the right edge, put one finger in there and push it left. Now while it's pushed left, lift up the hood. And now the hood, once it opens up, it's going to go up and stay in place by itself. Once the hood is open, right there, that's the main fuse panel. Press two clips, one in the front, one in the back, and get the cover off. Now we need to focus on two things over here, the spare fuses and the fuse puller. Get the fuse puller, that's the only tool we need for this job. And the way it works, you put it right on the fuse and then use it to pull it off. In the car, get that secondary fuse panel cover off. That's the fuse panel there. On back side of that cover, you'll find the fuse diagram and focus on this right over here. That 25 amp fuse, the power outlet 2, that controls two different outlets. And the power outlet 2, the 20 amp, that only controls the one outlet. And that's important. That's all we need to know for this job. Now get the fuse puller. First try pulling off that 25 amp fuse. See what happens the moment I pull it off, the power is gone in both of them. If you look at the fuse itself, you'll see the center part of the fuse is not broken, which is good. And that's why when I pulled the fuse, the power went out in both the outlets. If yours is broken, it's good because all we have to do is get a spare fuse. So get the fuse puller, get that 25 amp spare fuse off, inspect it, make sure this one's not broken, right? And if it's good, just put that back in. And what happens is the moment I put it back in, power is going to come back right on both the outlets. Repeat the process for the 20 amp fuse. Get the fuse puller, pull the fuse, power is gone, inspect it. Same process, same everything. So in this case, if your fuse is broken, just get the 20 amp spare fuse, inspect this, make sure the spare fuse is good, put that back in, and power is going to be back on. And that is pretty much it. Once you're done, don't forget to put this panel cover back on. Put the fuse puller back on and the main panel fuse cover on. Clip, two different clips, and it's in place, and that's pretty much it. Now in order to close the hood, you have to lower it and then push it and then slam it shut. Hope you found it useful.